Well, hello, welcome. Welcome to the unofficial Sabo Ranch. This is paradise. And I'm up here this weekend with a full crew, including 2 videographers, and it's absolutely spectacular. I hope you can get even close to what we feel here in person, the feeling of just absolute tranquility, the beauty of nature, God's creation. This place is pretty pristine. We're trying to improve it and at the same time take some of the things that we don't need that were improved and bring them back to nature. It's a process. Also going to show you my gardens that everybody said couldn't be done, and I'm going to take you on a hike and show you some unique features of the property. I haven't walked all this property. It's about 89 acres and it's backed up to the National Forest. So you've got millions of acres outside of our fence line. I look forward to showing you this place, and let's get started.